I know, another turkey video on YouTube, right? I mean, there are so many videos on how to cook a turkey, how to bake a turkey, how to smoke a turkey, how to fry a turkey. There's just so many ways on how to do turkeys on here, but I'm not going to show you how to cook a turkey because you know what? You can find it on YouTube, but I am going to tell you the best way to cook your turkey so that way it comes out moist. That way the white part of the turkey and the dark part of the turkey comes out still juicy because hey, the dark meat has to cook longer than the white meat, right? So how do you keep it from drying out? How do you keep your white meat from drying out and your dark meat come out juicy? Kind of sucks to have a dried up turkey breast and moist thighs and drumsticks and wings, right? So how do you do it? Now, the best way to do it is called spatchcock. Spatchcocking your turkey is the best way to do it. It takes a little bit of work because you have to, debone it a little bit and all that stuff, but it's worth it. I'm telling you. Don't worry about having that whole turkey looking pretty on the table, and when you cut into it, parts of it is dry. What's the purpose of that, right? For looks? Yeah, I think that's probably the majority of the reasons why people don't spatchcock their turkey. But spatchcocking your turkey has its benefits. One of the benefits is even cooking. That's right, when the turkey is butterflied, it's laid out flat, everything's exposed to heat, and it cooks up real nice. The second advantage is it comes out juicier and crispier skin. That's a good combination. Juicy meat, crispy skin. The third one, faster cooking. Cooks faster, I'm telling you. When it's laid flat, it cooks a lot faster. And the fourth one, easier to carve. That's right, it's easier to carve. Everything is sitting right up top. It's flat. You can just cut off the thighs and the legs and the wings. And it looks good too. A spatchcocked chicken laying flat on a platter, it's a beautiful thing to me. Now, I know a lot of you are talking about brining and wet brining and dry brining, and there's all these methods out there that people try to use, but believe me, I've tried all of them. The best way to do it is spatchcocking your turkey. That's right. Now, I don't have a video of me doing a spatchcock turkey, but I do have one of me doing a spatchcock chicken. So at the end of this video, you'll see the little pop-up to the side of my screen. You can follow those instructions on how to spatchcock your turkey because it's pretty much the same thing as far as wings, drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, and So you can follow that. Use your own choice of seasonings, and if you want to lift the skin of the turkey and season it and butter it and do all that stuff, stick to that. The same way you normally would season your turkey, do the same thing with this, except make sure you cut it so that way it's spatchcocked. All right, that's my tip for Thanksgiving cooking turkey. And hey, let me know if you've spatchcocked your turkey. Let me know how it came out because I guarantee you it's going to come out nice and juicy, evenly cooked, juicy breast, juicy thighs, and everything else. All right, I'll see you guys soon and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.